Today is cleaning day, which means that we get to take a bunch of stuff to Goodwill, which I'm always happy about. Oh, yeah. Chase loves toy tools. He's gone through I don't know how many of those, but he loses them constantly. It's kind of funny. So we're going to go get him a special set of toy tools, and those will be his new toy tools because he lost his old ones, and our life is a lot less crazy if Chase has his tools. Know what I'm saying? Let's do this, baby. Either 12 washing beard. Oh, these diggers, that's a monster dirt digger. Oh, does it have a thingy? Oh, that is awesome.
Wow!
That one's cool. Those are awesome. Oh, it's a puppy. You see a puppy? Did you see? Is there a popo here? There's a big po. That is a big po.
Baby.
That's your baby. Oh, look at this one, Chase. It's real scary. A big old fish. Here we are. Let's see what's around here. What's around here? Oh, Chase, look. Puppies. Tools. See, chainsaw. This is what I'm talking about, Kate. This has a real baby's first chainsaw. Oh my gosh, it's actually kind of sharp. Tools, please. Wow. We're all stuck, huh? Here's Home Depot. Here's we got these type of tools. See, those are pretty good. Something like that. Which thanks. A few. See, this has a tool belt. Oh, this might be the winner, Kate.
I don't like that. That won't last at all.
That's true, it won't. Never mind.
None of that will last.
Okay.
I like it in the...
Kate hates it. She thinks it's the worst. She wishes it were dead. Baby's first chainsaw. Oh man, it's so crazy. You can actually hurt somebody with that though. We need to make chainsaws safer, you know what I mean? Tools acquired. Ooh, I love this burrito. This burrito's so good to me. Ooh, I love this burrito. Something about a burrito for free burrito.
Saturday market.
Oh gosh, no. If you're gonna hold it that close to your face, why don't you just use it on phone mode? Look at that.
Because I have to talk to it like this.
You're not gaining anything.
He got lost. He's going back again, going back over the crosswalk again.
There it is. Ooh, it's a tool belt. Do you know what that is? That's a screwdriver, Chase. Flathead. Bring your tools over here.
Dad?
Nice tool belt, bro.
Nice.
What tools are you gonna use, Chase?
Yes.
Fix with your saw?
No.
Now fill in the hole. That's right. You keep working until it's time for you to make dinner.